से होती है।
East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba on Monday said that the government will take several preventive measures before lifting the ban on the sale of imported fish in the state. Briefing media persons, she said that once the ban is lifted, the concerned department will do rigorous testing of fish consignment being brought from outside on a daily basis to ensure that fish are fit for consumption. She also informed that the government is mostly concerned about rahu fish, which is consumed by the maximum number of people, and hence rahu coming from anywhere in India will be closely tracked after the ban is lifted.
The fish sellers, and they're very cooperative.
Actually, at present, what we are doing.
Then I have here with tests that we have done, conducted across the state, where we have found that a certain number, in fact a huge number of the fishes that we tested contains formalin, and thereafter we have taken the step of closing down the sale of certain imported fish, and for the next 15 days. So let us start with that first. We are allowing the local fishes to be sold today, since that day, and testing is ongoing process for us.
The world